How to spawn with guns in Fortnite Creative. Alright, so what you have to do first is click on escape. Now go to island settings. Now from here, you're gonna have to go to content. Then once you're in content, you have to go to the fourth option right here where it's at devices. Now you're gonna search up item granter. Should be this one right here. It should be the first one. Just click on that. Click on place now. And you can place it anywhere. It doesn't really matter wherever you want to. So I'm gonna just place it right here. Alright, then once you place it, you're gonna go back to island settings. Go to content. Then you're gonna have to go to weapons. Then once you're in weapons, now you're gonna have to search up any gun you want. So I'm gonna just put a shotgun right here. I see a pump. I'm gonna just place it. Go back over here, place the pump. Then once you find and place the gun you want, just go back over here, click on customize item granter. Go on the second option right here where it's at basic options, and it should be the second one where it's at all options. Now you're just gonna copy all my settings. So enabled on game start, click on yes. Receiving players all. On to grant action, click on clear inventory, grant current item, grant condition always, grant on cycle, click on yes. This is the second page right here. Equip granted item, yes. On item count, don't override. Remove item on grant, no. Initial weapon ammo, don't override. Spare weapon ammo, default. This is the third page right here. Cycle behavior, stop. Grant while offline, no. Drop items at player location if inventory full. Ownership of drop item receiving player. Grant on timer off. Play audio off. Grant on game start. Make sure that's on. This is the most important one. Then you're going to click on OK. And make sure you also put a player spawner right here or like wherever you want it. So I'm going to just place it right here. Go back to island settings. Click on content. Go back to devices. And click on player spawner. Just place one right here. It doesn't matter wherever you want it. So just click on customize player spawner, enable during game and visible in game. I'm gonna turn that off, but if you want it on, you can. Right click on your mouse, put it down here, place another one just in case, you know what I'm saying? Now if I start my game, I'm gonna respawn with a shotgun. If you also want to add more items, you could also do that. Just go back to island settings, go back to content, go back to weapon. Now from here, you could put anything you want. So if you want to add more guns, more heals, it doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? So let's say I go back and I want to add like a mini or something. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to just scroll down, find a mini, click on EQ. I'm going to just go back over here and just place it. So if you want just a shotgun to grant to you, all you got to do is just go back and click on start game. But if you want other items such as the mini and the shotgun or whatever you put over here, you're just going to go back, click on customize item granter again. Now from here, you're gonna have to scroll down a little bit, and right here where it says grant, instead of current item, you're gonna put all items, so you respawn with the mini and the shotgun. Just go back, go over here and click on start game. Now, as you guys can see, I just respawn with the shotgun and the mini. So if this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.